Hello guys, good morning. Hope hope you are doing great. Okay, so today's session is about cyber security for beginner. How to make my career in cyber security. If you are fresher or you have just finished your college program and you want to make your career in cyber security, or whether you are a professional, you are holding industry level experience in any field, whether it is non-IT or whether it is in IT sector only rather than cyber security, but you want to switch your career in cyber security. So even you can try it. It is never too late. It is never late. Age and experience doesn't matter in cyber security to start your career in cyber security. So if you are having doubts, if you are having doubts like how to make career in cybersecurity, how to get entry in this field, what should be the roadmap, what should you do, and what all are different fields where we can make career in cybersecurity, or either what's the future, what will be the our career in next 10 years, how to plan our roadmap in cybersecurity field. So if these questions are pondering over your mind, then yes, of course, this session is for you. Please keep watching. I'll explain you each and everything one by one. And if you are feeling like anything is missing out, or if you are still having any doubts, any queries, then you can write it in comment section. I'll try to answer all your queries. And if you want to explain me anything else which you feel you are having doubt or any excitement, then please message me. Write it in comment section. So I'll explain it. I'll answer it. And please keep watching. Hope it would be helpful for you. Okay. So let's start. So here, my basic agenda would be cyber security for fresher, prerequisites to start career in cyber security, learning and certifications required, cyber security jobs and future in India. Okay, so cyber security for fresher. Uh, Now, if you are a fresher and you are wondering that how to start our career in cybersecurity, and how to get entry, first of all, see, getting entry in security field is not quite easy like other field. So if you are fresher and campus placement is there in your college, then of course you are lucky, very lucky. So because if for some colleges, some institutes, some university, a good company will hire, go for the campus placement directly for fresher also. And then if you are not availing the opportunity of campus placement, then offline also you can try, and obviously it's not hard, you can get it. You can make it in your career cybersecurity field. So what should fresher do? So first thing, he or she should be always motivated, uh, should have enough courage, motivation. Obviously it's not so tough. They can get their entry in this field also. Now, then second thing, it should be there that being up to date on the changing cyber threats, because cyber security is a little bit critical, you can say important field. So you can't afford to miss anything. So you have to be updated of the trending cyber threats, what's going on in market, how it happened. So you have to be aware of all the things. And so start making habit of getting information of all those fields, being up to date if you are interested in this field. Third thing, go to basic cyber security trainings and certifications. So which certifications, which trainings you want to go, I'll be explaining later in this slide. And then third thing is, so yes, of course, as I told you, if you are having you are not fresher, you are having any other industrial experience, or you are holding any career gap, or maybe you are having a little bit means holding your age. So does age and experience matter to switch career into cybersecurity? No, it's never too late to make your career in cybersecurity. You can try. You have to be ready to switch your career in this field. So you just go through this learning portals, opportunities, and basic certifications. And even if you have to be aware, as I told you, with the latest cyber threats, attacks, so it will be easy for you. Then next come to prerequisites to start career in cybersecurity. So a few things you have to be ready with to start your career. One thing is motivation and learning desires. So see, this is the field where you have to be continue motivated, and even continue you have to learn new things on daily basis to be up to the level on the. So like this field is very competitive, and you have to be always up to date. So a second thing would be you need to have basic understanding of computer network. uh, if we talk about any particular things, then that would be network topology, OSI model. Is if means OSI model, it should not be like basic of OSI model. It should cover everything, each and everything in detail, like how OSI model work, what all are different layers, what all are more important ports and protocols, how those protocols are working, and what would be the loophole on those protocols, how end-to-end communication is happening, what should be the encryption and decryption, what is the TCP model, what is the IP version 4, IP version 6 in detail, what should be the differences between IP version 4, IP version 6, differences between TCP or an UDP model. These all things are very very necessary to start with. And then then next thing would be a basic understanding of Linux and Windows OS. Obviously, because you have to study uh, various tools and techniques. So for that, you need to have understanding of basics of Linux OS, Windows OS. You need to know how to operate the systems, how to kind of troubleshoot, where to find what thing in those things, and then obviously basic understanding of Linux scripting. If you are good with any of the programming language or a scripting languages such as Python, Java, or anything, so it would be an advanced benefit for you um, to start your career. Then learning and certifications. If we are talking about learning and certifications, so if you are completely from outside of the field, or complete beginner, then these all are the certifications that would be good to start with. And even these certifications are not so tough, so you can crack easily. This first one is CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. Second would be CEH, Certified Ethical Hacking. Third would be CompTIA, Security Plus. So if you are having that, like does all the three certifications need to be done before making your career? No, not required. Any of one, any of these three, any one of these three you can start with, and you just learn and get the certification. Then that would be very easy, quite easy, because here if before applying, if you are trying off campus to get entry in this field, then for getting selected, your resume itself, they would need some certification, and these all are entry level certifications, which you can make it easily. Then cyber security jobs and future in India. So, mean, uh, yes, in cyber security, it's having again so many subfields, and where to start with what all are main fields. So, one field would be networking and admin. So, in networking thing, there it can be hardware networking, software networking, trouble admin thing, troubleshooting of firewall and those things, network topologies, routers, switches, LAN, WAN, etc. Second thing would be SOC professional, that is called Security Operations Center professional. Again, in this SOC also, there are so many fields, that is called IR, incident response, threat hunting, threat intelligence, and other fields. So, in my I'll make a next video of all those things in detail, and so you can follow me, and yeah, you can watch my next video also. Then next thing would be you can start your career with consulting thing, that can be in security, consulting means in VAPT, WebPT, or you can sync with your VD team. Then again would be security researcher. If you are good with basics, with deep learning, then you can start your career in researching field. Then one field is risk and compliance auditor. So for if you are interested in doing auditing and all things, then obviously this is a good field for you. One then again next field would be a VAPT, vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. Then again WebPT, web application penetration testing. So these all are main fields where you can grow. And again, these all fields are holding so many subfields. Thank you. So I think all your doubts got resolved. And if you have any other doubts, and if you want to know what all are fields under SOC, if you what we will be doing in SOC, what exactly work should be done, what should be the again certification required, what should be certification required for VAPT and all, then please watch my next video. I'll make those things, and for you all your queries you just ask me, I'll try to resolve. Thank you, keep watching, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.